Today's day 18 of our trip, and we are cooking breakfast on this beautiful alpine reservoir in southeast Colorado. We're gonna make some bacon, toast, fried eggs, and pancakes. 58 degrees outside, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, and we are meeting my friend Ryan. We fished this place last year, him and I. So I'm gonna give it another shot. My buddy Ryan, he moved from Atlanta to Montana. What do you mean your stuff?
Got my phone in my wallet. Fuck.
Don't get nervous, bro.
No, I'm cold as fuck.
Welcome to Colorado. What you do is you smash the grass and you step on top of the grass.
That's what I was doing.
Este man.
First cameraman victim to the mud.
Is it good through there?
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, don't rush. Look what I do. Get the grass like this.
I know.
Smash it down. Dude, I forgot, bro. Today's the 4th of July.
Swaying,
How was that picanha?
I'm so full.
He's in a food coma.
That picanha was delicious. I ate a lot. I was full, but now I'm hungry again.
This guy is like a salamander. His metabolism is insane. Anyways, follow us. Give it a thumbs up, like, turn on your notification bell. This is gonna be on YouTube, as you guys are watching right now, and we'll put the link in the description below. Peace.